Namaste. Welcome back to Yoga Forever. Today we will see how to do or how to perform Vajrasana. It's a sitting posture which is very beneficial for digestion and stomach, internal organs of the stomach. We will see how to do Vajrasana. It also makes the legs having very strength. Sit like this. This is the sthiti, the starting position. Legs should be straight. Sit straight. Putting the hands on the sides, facing the fingers straight. Then slowly bend the right leg and place it behind the under the buttock. Then bend the other leg, place it under the left buttock. Then sit on the gap between the legs. The knees should be together. Place the hands on the knees. Then sit straight. You can gaze a point on a wall or somewhere, or otherwise close the eyes. Take deep breath. This is very beneficial for getting the thighs very strength, having the legs also strength, then having a good posture to the back also. The digestion will be very smooth, and constipation or something is there, then that also will be eliminated. One should see that there should not be any problem with the ankle. If you are having any pain on the ankle, then should give utmost care. And if somebody is having piles, then should not do this asana. It's very good for hernia, but once again we will see. Sit like this. Bend the legs. Sit like this. If you are seeing behind, the legs should be like this. Actually, the final position should be like this. The seat should be on the ground. This is very tough for the beginners. Hence, you can sit on the legs itself, crossing this big toe together. Beginners can sit on this position, which is more easier. By the practice, you can sit on the ground also. This is the correct position for sitting. We will see once again. Bend the right leg, put it on the side, sit on the leg, bend the other leg, sit on. If you are a beginner, should sit on the legs by crossing the big toe. This is somewhat easier position. If you are gradually practicing day by day, you can have the flexibility on the ankle and can sit on the surface, on the floor, like this. Then bend towards one side, take the left leg, then take right leg. Then sit in the beginning position. And this is the resting mode. And take deep breath. This is called Vajrasana. Vajra is considered as the weapon of Lord Indra, and it is very tough and very strong weapon. That's why this asana is named with that name, Vajrasana, because this asana also makes the legs very strong. Namaste.